You may on occasion discover that after you use the batch item settings to set a gradebook category and then attempt to assign one of the individual items from the table of contents on the home page, the gradebook category will display as uncategorized rather than the category you set. This video will show you your options for revealing the category you chose originally. From the LaunchPad homepage, click Assign. At this point, you will expect to see the category you designated for the item in the Assign pop-up menu that appears. Instead, however, you see that the category is listed as uncategorized. From here, there are two ways to solve this problem. First, if you remember the category you selected for the assignment when you used the Batch Item Settings function, click the Category drop-down menu and select the category. If you don't remember the category, click the More Options link to the right of your assignment and click Edit, or click Assign and then click the Edit link next to Manage Content Item. This will bring up a new Edit menu in which you will be able to change your assignment settings. When you click the Assignment tab, you will see that the category you selected using the Batch Item Settings feature is now selected. Thank you for using LaunchPad.